What is going on, guys? Dippin are back. I'm here with Paradox.
What's up, guys?
If you guys aren't subscribed to him, link will be in the top of the description. And we got a video idea sent in by the Dippin family. If you guys don't know what the Dippin family is basically a membership to this channel, Dippin Diesel, where you pay a monthly subscription fee and you get different perks. Go check out the link below to get more info about what the Dippin family is all about. Like I said, it's brought to you by the Dippin family. They want to know how to build a badass 5th gen Cummins for $10,000.
It's gonna be hard. Them trucks are expensive, and the newer the truck, the more expensive the parts. We have a tight list here, but we think it'll make for a badass truck.
Yeah, so everything on this list adds exactly to $10,000, not including tax. So you'll have to kind of, account for tax and everything like that. Prices are gonna vary in your different locations in the world. So yeah, this is just what we found on the internet, and this all adds up to $10,000. Let's hop right into it.
First thing we got on the list is a lift kit brought to you by FabTech for the 2019 Ram 2500. It's gonna be on the 2500 platform. So for 2,500 bucks, you can get a pretty decent lift. It's a radius arm lift. You got long arms, coil shocks, the full bar.
So those actually, yeah, it has coils for the back. Yeah, so this is a 5-inch radius arm lift kit. It's gonna run you about $2,430. And yeah, it's not a bad lift kit. It's not rough country, but it's not
the front coils and the rear coils as well. So it's going to be a full suspension lift. It's going to be, I think it's a pretty good lift.
Pretty good lift for the price. It's not a $5,000 lift that king shots and everything like that. But it's a pretty decent lift for 2,400 bucks.
If you're not going off road all the time, it'll be a good be a good lift for highway use and just the occasional off road enthusiast. But if you're rock crawling and you're towing every single day, you may want to go with a different setup.
Yeah, you definitely don't want a 5-inch lift if you're towing.
Nah, just level it out and it'll be fine.
Your truck, you got a big lift, but we still tow.
30,000 pounds. Easy.
Oh yeah,
30,000 pounds. I got a 2019 F250 Platinum, lifted on 6 inches, forces, Toyos, deleted and tuned. It's a nice truck, but my second truck, if I didn't love my Platinum, I would get a 5th gen Cummins any day of the week. I just can't afford both at the same time. The next on the list is going to be wheels. These are going to be TIS wheels. Not a huge fan of them, but we got to stay within 10,000. So 24x14, -76 offset.
Those
wheels,
some wide motherfuckers.
They're going to be wide, and the tires that are going to go on them is going to be set for those
tires,
things.
bro.
Tires are wide as hell. But
so I pretty much made this list, and he's kind of going off of what I made. So I picked I call them TIS, TIS. They are chrome. Most people don't like chrome, but you can always go ahead and get milled or just straight gloss black or whatever. But these are going to run you about another 2,400 bucks. So you're almost already at half your budget just in lift and wheels, nothing else. Yeah. Just lift and wheels. $10,000 isn't much to work with. Yeah.
They're not bad wheels. Just don't comment down below why we didn't pick high-end wheels. We're on a budget, guys.
Yeah. We could have easily thrown American Forces, but that would have took up 90% of the budget right there.
How much are Rockstars running nowadays?
The KMC Rockstar 2s. We could have put those on there, man. Dude, those are nice looking wheels.
It would have been like 400 bucks for the set if we put those on there.
Probably off Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, but the money you save on wheels you can put towards light bars.
Could and wheel lights, right?
Yeah. So if you guys don't know, that's What the Duck behind the camera. We'll put his
my brother What the Duck
Instagram on the screen.
He used to have a YouTube channel. He needs to make another one.
Yeah, so we got $2,400 in wheels, and the tires that are going on this, they're not Toyos, because Toyos, are pretty expensive, especially for 38 by 15.5 by 24.
I hear good things. They're Lodi tires, Fury off-roads. I never ran Furies, but I hear good things about them. They're
a lot of people in California run these.
Tire.
Like the big sizes where you want people are running 24s, 26s.
Yeah, and just
Fury
like
makes those really like big sizes for mud
wheels.
tires.
Yeah, the big wheels, wide tires. Fury is the place to go if you want that kind of look. But I hear good things about them. Also hear bad things about them. Just depends on who you ask. Everybody has different experience with Fury. Some people put pictures on Instagram where they're like wearing all crazy in the rear, and then in the front that could be their alignment or whatnot. But then you have some guys that say when they're towing they just get too hot, and you always have complaints. But from most part, I'd say 8 out of 10 of people I talk to that run Furies love them.
Another thing is, this video is based on a $10,000 budget. Most people that are getting 5th gens, they have the money to spend on high-end tires, high-end wheels, and everything like that.
The Nittos, the Toyos.
Yeah, those were just too expensive for this budget. Like I said I think I said before the video, Toyos were running like 3,200 bucks. This is $800 cheaper. that could have been added to something else. So that's why I went with the Fury off-road. I know a lot of people that run them in California, and they get them every single time they get a new set of wheels. So yeah, those Furies are gonna run you $2,400 for the set. I don't know why the lift was $2,400, the wheels were $2,400, and the tires were $2,400. But just the lift, wheels, and tires is gonna run you $7,382. So that's about
a lot of money.
What, 70% of the budget right there. So there's not a lot of money left to spend, but we do have a couple other things, and the next thing is gonna be an exhaust. You know, you can get higher quality brands or whatever. This is just, you know, one of the cheapest ones I found.
It's hard to find delete kits for that truck. I'm not going to speak about it too much, get into the legal parameters of it. I don't want to get myself or his channel in trouble, but we'll just leave it at that. Exhaust, $290.
Yeah,
that's enough.
The cheap stainless exhaust, if you guys are up north, it's not gonna, you know, rust like a aluminized will. Yeah, $290, cheap exhaust. The only thing you get getting a more expensive exhaust is, you know, better exhaust hangers on there. They're welded better, the clamps are better. You know, this is just a cheap exhaust. We're on a budget, guys, come on. So for the tuning for this 2019 5th gen Cummins, we're gonna go with EasyLink. EasyLink is a good brand. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I obviously can't run them on my truck. I have a 2001 Cummins. We're talking about 2019, 18 years later.
Yep.
EasyLink with PPEI. I've heard a lot of good things about PPEI. What kind of tuning do you run?
I have SCT tuning on my 19 Platinum. I love it. It's a great tune, and I can adjust it whenever I want. Comes with a screen, and it's just really easy. Connects to Wi-Fi on your phone if you want to do some updates or whatnot on the road, and you don't have to worry about anything crazy. It's just the new technology in these tunes are just.
That's pretty much how this works. You run it off your phone. Your phone is your screen. So like on my truck, I have the CTS2 by Edge. That's showing me all my stuff. I can change my tune if I had it hooked up to there. This, you're running it all on your phone. So you can do your updates on your phone, change your tune on your phone. You can download new tunes off their website onto your phone and you know, put it onto your truck. It was actually showing more than 1100 with whatever, like if you want your transmission tuning. I know that's something.
Yeah, you're gonna have to tune your trans if you tune your new truck, but this is just going off of...
with everything checked on this EasyLink. It was showing Canadian. I transferred it to American US dollars, and it came out to $1,255. So, you know, $1,200 for some pretty good tuning. I'd say that's pretty normal for a newer truck.
Yeah, it's pretty decent. So the next one we're gonna go is a hitch, because if you have a truck, you're gonna want a hitch, especially a drop hitch if you're gonna be running a lift kit. So we got a drop hitch here from Bulletproof Hitches. Never ran one of their hitches. Hear good things about them though. So it's a 6-inch drop hitch, and it looks to be high quality. It's adjustable, so depending on your trailer and your tongue, you can level out your trailer.
It's a $300 hitch. It better be high quality.
Dude, I don't know. Hitches nowadays, to me, are way too expensive. This thing probably costs them next to nothing to make. The R&R time that they have and the license they have and just the legal parameters around getting that thing certified, they have probably way more money in that than anything we could probably imagine. But they're pushing out these hitches and probably making a killing off of them.
Oh yeah, but if you're driving a 19 Cummins, 5th gen Cummins, you're gonna want a, you know,
decent hitch.
You want a decent hitch, and for, you know, the actual hitch brands like B&W, I know makes a, you know, $200, $300 hitch.
Yeah.
Just the high end hitches. You're not buying a Walmart hitch for, you know, $50. You're buying a $300 hitch that's gonna, you know, hold up to whatever you're gonna tow. So with that, we're kind of low on the budget. I think we got about $700 left to the budget. So we got no more stuff that you can buy online. We got $700 left. You know, our next thing was gonna be tint.
You gotta have tint.
So with the tint, it's gonna vary on what shop you go to, what kind of tint you get. If you're gonna get ceramic tint, or if you're just gonna get basic, you know, basic tint. It was kind of hard to price it out because he said on his truck it was like $1,000 for the tint that he got. When I got the tint on my truck, obviously I don't have, you know, 4 doors. It's gonna cost a little bit more.
And I got a full moon roof too. So if you guys are saying $1,000, what the hell? I got a full moon roof. The whole thing's glass pretty much, and it's a premium tint. that's just stupid retarded nice tint on that thing.
Yeah, you stay cool in that truck.
Yeah, that truck is just retarded. The whole windshield's done, everything's done, the whole glass is done, everything.
Yeah, so this is gonna vary. I priced it at $300, not knowing how much like a new truck actually costs, because he got the windshield done. That's obviously gonna cost more. I didn't get my windshield done. I just got the tint strip. And then I had the driver passenger in the back window and that little tiny side mirror on the extended. And mine cost $200. So $300, these last two, the next one's gonna be color match. You can kind of obviously, you know, tweak your pricing. You can go a little bit more expensive on tint and then color match whatever you want. You know, go with a professional. You don't want to plasti dip a 2019 truck.
No, you don't want to do that.
So these two are kind of like add a little bit more to tint and kind of take off on the color match. You can get, you know, your bumper color match for, you know, $300 or whatever it costs. So you'll have another $174 to add to tint. So, you know, those are kind of the last two things that that I came up with, was tint and color match. That brings you right to, you know, $10,000. All right, guys, so for this list, we got the lift, wheels, tires, exhaust, tune, hitch, tint, and color match, equaling $10,000 budget for a badass 5th gen Cummins.
And I think it'd be the coolest truck at the truck meet, a local truck meet at Walmart or O'Reilly's, wherever y'all meet up.
Hey, no more spending like $30,000 on a build. You got $10,000 budget.
Yep. There you go.
If you guys want to suggest another truck you guys want us to do and the budget for that truck, leave it in the comments below. You guys can do like a $20,000 budget. We'll go ahead and do a higher end lift, you know, King Shocks, American Forces, and everything like that. Go ahead and leave what type of truck you guys want to see next and the budget down below. And yeah, that's gonna be it for us. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out Paradox. Link will be in the description below. Go check out the Dippin family. That link will also be in the description below. Go check out the features and perks that has. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like this video if you guys did enjoy. Consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Diesel out.
Later, guys.